What's up, all my stock market investors? It is Shadai, and I'm back again with another Cash App investing video. Today, we're talking about what you can expect during Tesla's third quarter earnings report. But before we get there, y'all know I got to show my appreciation to the viewers, the non-subscribers, the people who hit the thumbs up, the people who comment, you, and you, all you watching, whether it's morning, evening, or night. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you always and forever. Now, before we get into Tesla, I do want to mention that Nancy Pelosi doesn't get her credit for all the thuggish, ruggish things she does for the Democrats. She's a little sneaky one. She's hanging in there, but you got to give it to her. She has now announced that the White House has until Tuesday to accept a deal for this fiscal stimulus, which we all want the fiscal stimulus. I think it's pretty obvious at this point. It's going to make the stock market go up. It's going to make the economy move a little bit further. It's going to put money in people's pockets. It's going to give businesses money. So it'll be very good for us to get it. But I think that the market is already priced in for us to not get one before election. So I'm over this back and forth. First, Trump says he's not going to deal no more. Now she says she's not going to deal no more. All this stuff is just pressures to get the deal done. And at this point, I think that, I guess we'll just get it when we get it when we get it. Just make sure you're in the market, because I can expect the market to give us a nice little increase when we do get it. And eventually we will get it. We will get it for sure, because our economy needs it. But let me know in the comments what you think about that, thuggish, ruggish Nancy. Tesla is reporting their third quarter earnings report this week on Wednesday. They are currently trading at $438 as I make this video. And before I get into what I think we can expect, I do want to remind you that this is a long-term type of stock. This isn't a stock that you invest in and you're going to see a crazy increase right away. I think that Tesla still has a lot more room to grow. There's so much infrastructure that needs to be put into place for them to just have this global takeover. But, they're taking the proper steps needed. They're doing a good job as far as when it comes to growth. So just remember, this is a long-term play. I mean, obviously you can get lucky and maybe, swing trade it and come up on a nice little increased percentage, but this is a long-term type of stock, so keep that in mind as I tell you what to expect. This could be, you could either see a 5 to 10% swing up, or you could see a 5 to 10% swing down. But if you do see a downswing, just know that it's a buying opportunity, especially with all the growth that they have in the near future, long future. Tesla has footprints in China, Europe, US, and I believe India. They're not even at max capacity right now. So you have to put that all into play. Even if you see them miss, I'll be surprised to see them miss this third quarter, because they had reported on Battery Day that they had hit a record of deliveries of like 133,300,000 Teslas. So wouldn't that mean that their earnings are going to go up and, other things are going to be a plus? It could, but we don't know how much money they put into getting those deliveries out, because remember, they did have to shut down a handful of their factories. But, I believe in Elon Musk, and even if I do see a miss, I'm only going to see it as a buying opportunity, because just down the road, Tesla is going to be higher and higher. The more the EV market grows, Tesla is a leader. Their technology, their batteries, it's all leading. And there will be other companies tied to their growth, like Vail. I think I'm saying it right. If they do the deal with Vail, if they haven't already. But yes, like I said, Tesla, I don't see them missing. But if for some reason they do, just know that that's another opportunity to buy. Don't freak out. If you're holding Tesla, don't freak out. Don't feel like you need to sell. This is a long-term play, and you got to wait to sell. You got to be very patient with Tesla. I think that going into 2021, Tesla is not going to be at the price that you see. 438, we're not going to see these 438 prices. I strongly believe that. But do your own research. Do some research on Tesla. I'm telling y'all, I want a Tesla. I'm gonna get a Tesla one day, hopefully soon, and I hope you do too. I don't think there's another company that can compete with just their aura. They got Elon Musk on their team. So let me know what y'all think about the Tesla play. Like I said, it's a long term, and they're not even at full capacity. I think 2022, 2023 is gonna be like when they have factories done, they got resources, other fleets of cars coming out, the truck, the motorcycle. Everybody's waiting on the $25,000 Tesla car that's very affordable. There's supposedly EV tax cuts coming. If the Democrats win, not too sure. Do your research on that, but just pay attention. And if you see an opportunity to buy in a Tesla, I can guarantee you that in the long term, you just won't regret it. But let me know if you disagree in the comments below. I'm going to give an expectations. They will beat expectations. That is my prediction. But let me know in the comments below if you don't believe so and why. Y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Don't forget to thumbs up on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ShPena.